No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Jumping on the bed. What happened when he bumped his head, Izzy? Head? What'd the doctor say? Izzy, what'd the doctor say? Are you hugging Elmo? Yeah, you're hugging Elmo. Jumping on the bed. One fell off then. How'd he bump his head? What did you do? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's right. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. We got a lot of things going, huh? And the doctor said, what'd the doctor say? Monkey is jumping on the bed. How'd she bump her head? Head. That's right. And bumped his head. What'd the doctor say?
No.
That's right. That's right. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Shake your finger like the doctor. How's the doctor shake his finger? That's right. Yeah. Come back. You know, come back here. Don't go back there. No, don't close that. Isabella. No. Come back. Come back. That's a good girl. Good girl. Oh, no more monkeys. No more monkeys.